Hello, fellow VTubers. I'm Alexa. Today I'm going to show you how to fix your mouth in Vroid avatar creator. Because most of the Vroid avatars I've seen the VTubers use have this weird problem that when they speak or use a high pitch voice, their mouth opens a lot bigger and it looks a little bit odd. Let me show you how it looks. In order to fix that, all you have to do is, if you're in the VRAD like this, you have to select the face section and then go to expression editor right there. And then if you open it, it will show you your expressions. And the problem I seen is this one. When you go like this, you've seen a lot of the people who's making this kind of mouth, right? So in order to fix that, all you have to do is, if you see the right side, like above my head, you can see some of the values here. So mouth firm, and you can see happy right here in my mouse area. I'm just hiding it a little bit. All you have to do is reduce the value a little bit more. You see? And then her mouth closes itself a little bit more, right? So, and then you just have to select all of them and then see. It should be, some of the things are in the different sections. So you have to select it one by one and check it out. The changes are all the way to the 100, like here, is the largest expression you're gonna make. So all you have to do is reduce this a little bit and then you can see how my mouth is moving. So this is the maximum amount of my mouth is gonna move when I speak, okay? So if you change that, it will be fine, and all you have to do is extract that after that, okay? Same goes for all of the sections. And some of the times it will close your eyes. You just have to go to the eyes section, and mouth, teeth, if you want to change that, everything is on this side. That's all, folks. If you find this information useful, feel free to give me a like and share this. Thank you. Access to sign out.